Good morning, class 2. I hope you all are doing good. Now, today we're going to discuss one important topic which is related to your general knowledge. Okay, so today we are going to talk about our country, that is India. Now, it may sound simple talking about India. If I have to ask you, do you know everything about India? Do you know the basic important information about India? Then you would say yes. But there are, lot more things that we need to know about our country, and that we will discuss in our today's video. We will discuss about the other name for India, what is the capital of India, the number of states, union territories, prime minister, president, and largest, smallest, northernmost, and southernmost state. Yes, we are going to talk about lots of information related to our country. Okay, so all of this we will discuss in detail with the help of a PowerPoint presentation. So kindly watch my next video for the detailed explanation of our today's exercise. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Now, today, as you can guess by the title, we're going to talk about our country. It is India. We're going to discuss some important information which are related to our country with the help of this PowerPoint presentation. Now, on the world map, on the map of the world, this is where India is located. Okay, so first you need to identify India country on a world map. Now, talking about India's capital, okay, which represents the whole India in the world. So that is our New Delhi. Nobody will write Delhi. It is New Delhi. So New Delhi is the capital of India. If someone asks you what is the capital of India, then it is New Delhi. What is the other name of India? We know that India is the name of our country, but there is one more name for our country, that is Bharat. So you need to remember that the other name for India country is Bharat. How many states? Okay, as you can observe in the picture, our country is divided into lots of areas, and these areas are either states or union territories. Either states or union territories. As you can see in the picture that our country is divided into lots of areas, right? So there are in total 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, and each of these states and union territories have their own capitals, just like India has its capital, New Delhi. So you need to remember for now how many states are there? 28. How many union territories are there? 8. Okay, so our country, India, is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. So these are our union territories, in which even Delhi is also union territory. Okay, and recently Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, before our country, it got a new union territory, Ladakh. There was only one state, Jammu and Kashmir, at the northernmost point of India, right? But now Jammu and Kashmir has been divided into two parts. One part is called Jammu and Kashmir, and the other part is called Ladakh, and both of these are union territories. Okay, and these are our states. These are our 28 states along with our 8 union territories. I would suggest you to spend a minute or two on this picture to observe it carefully. Observe the map of India, what all states are there, names of those states, capital of those states, and what all countries are found at the border of our country. Okay, now if I have to tell you the northernmost state of India is Himachal Pradesh. Now you will say, ma'am, this is not the northernmost point. Ladakh is the northernmost point, but Ladakh is union territory and I'm talking about state. So that's how Himachal Pradesh becomes a northernmost state of India. Okay, so you need to remember this. Now talking about southernmost state. So southernmost state is clearly our Tamil Nadu state. So southernmost state is Tamil Nadu. Smallest state, as you can see, I have zoomed in this particular state, which is Goa. So Goa, which is quite popular in India. All of you must, most of you must have been to this area, Goa, and this is the smallest state of our country. It covers smallest space in our country. So Goa is the smallest state. And which is the largest? As you can see clearly in the picture, that Rajasthan is the largest state of India and Goa is the smallest state of India. You can compare the size of both of these states with the other states of India. Now, if I have to ask you who is our Prime Minister, who is our President of India, then do you recognize these two people, which I have of whose picture I have attached in the PPT, of whose picture you can see on your screen? If you can recognize these two, then you know that Narendra Modi, who is on right side, our Prime Minister of India, and on the left hand side we have Mr. Ramnath Kovind, who is our President of India. Okay. So these were some important information related to our country, India. Now we'll do some map work, okay? Because we have covered most portion about the map of India. So we are going to cover some questions on map work, for which I'll share the worksheet with you. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.